Hey YouTube, what's up? This your boy Ray Mac. Today we're going to do with some air fried chicken thighs. You're going to love them. So this is what we're going to do. First ingredients, I want you to go ahead and put you at least around about a good pack of boneless chicken thighs into a bowl. Take you some olive oil, put that baby right up in it on the center. I got some of this usual. This is that fire and smoke seasoning that you can purchase at Walmart. This is some good stuff, y'all. Then I want you to take you some chicken seasoning and then go ahead and add it to the bowl as well. And then we're also going to take some of this here onion powder and add it to the bowl. Now once we got that added into it, go ahead and add in your garlic powder. And last but not least, we're going to go ahead and put in our parsley flakes. Now once we've got this all combined together, go ahead and start mixing this up by hand to incorporate all these seasonings into that meat. Now I want you to go ahead and start lacing that meat inside that air fryer. Once you get it into the air fryer, set your air fryer to at least around about 350 degrees. You can go ahead and start cooking it for about the first 10 minutes. After the first 10 minutes, go ahead and add another 10 more minutes to it and allow it to cook. Then take your meat thermometer, and once you hit the the internal temperature of 165 degrees, this baby is done to serve up. And you can serve this up with whatever sides that you like, no matter what. Just go ahead and do it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and toss this in the air fryer right now. Now this is definitely a good recipe to try. It's healthy, and I'm telling you something right now, it is delicious. Like I said, you can pair this up with any side item that you like, and I guarantee you're gonna get some good results. Give this video a thumbs up, comment on this video, and also do me a favor, love and not hate, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching to this here video. Subscribe.